Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be teaching you how you can claim 1.8 million Anubi token airdrop 1.8 million, and that is what I'll be doing. So make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on bell, post notification on, so when I drop interesting videos like this you'll be among the first to see it. Now let's go straight to the video. You open your TrustWallet. If you guys know, I'm always talking about how you can get free airdrops and stuff like that. I have a lot of airdrops. So you open your TrustWallet. When you open your TrustWallet, you go to the apps. Now there's a link I'm going to put in the description. That's the link of the Anubi token website where you can get the Anubi token. So you paste the link. Make sure you paste the link, right? Yeah, and I'm just copy everything on that link and exactly use that link. Don't change anything so that you would get the free token, right? Then when you paste the link, the next thing this is going to open. You open from your TrustWallet. You know how to open from your TrustWallet. You go to your TrustWallet, you go to the apps. Now you see Anubi token. You come to this place I'm circling. You change this from this place. You change it from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Once you're opening from your TrustWallet will automatically be connected, right? So when it connects, you change it to Smart Chain, it will reload. After reloading, the next thing you're going to do, you will see hold Anubi and get rewarded BNB on every transaction, right? And then the countdown for 10 days or whatever. So you're going to click on airdrop. You click on airdrop so that you can click Anubi airdrop. So they're going to charge you very little amount. So in this case, you'll be charged 348 naira for network fee, which is 60 naira, and like 348 naira in total for network fee and for the airdrop. So you click on approve, right? When you click on approve, you hold on, your light load. You can see what I'm doing here. You see the page that says payment successful. You click on OK. When you click on OK, then you leave this page. Anyway, you click on OK, you leave this page, then you come to your wallet and you refresh, or you search for it. It's supposed to show now. This is it, Anubis, 180 million. 180 million. This is it. So if you do this, you follow my step by step, and you follow what I've done. I've been doing this once, like this is the first time I'm doing it. You can see that I got 280 million Anubis. If you do it, you're going to get the same thing. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn our bell, post notification on, so that when I drop interesting videos like this, you'll be among the first to see it. And make sure you use the link in the description so that you would not lose your money, because there are a lot of fake Anubis accounts. Okay, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.